Hello my friends, welcome back to Mr. Crazy Farm Life YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to seedling another vegetable. Anyway guys, if you like to watch like these crazy farming videos, just subscribe Mr. Crazy Farm Life YouTube channel. So this is reminder guys, if you like to watch my other videos, you can check about in this playlist. We had lot of seedling, lot of vegetables. Okay guys, so let's go to see today what am I going to seed. Okay guys, today I have also another seed packet. So in here guys, we have a variety of chili. So anyway guys, this is not a bell pepper. So anyway, it's one of type of chili. So this is the yellow color, you can see that. So also we have a long, also short, maybe you'll know big and small like those. Lot of chilies. So anyway, today I'm going to try this one. So I will call this yellow long chili. Okay, so we are on our nursery area. So anyway, we can call this this is my seedling nursery. So guys, this is our yellow chili. So anyway guys, you can see that it's yellow color. Also we can see a lot of things in here. Anyway guys, like this small seed packets is Sri Lankan 80 rupees. Also we can see a lot of information in here. You can see that you already see that the pack date, also expire date, also the minimum. You already know the percentage of the seedling. That's we can't take it seriously because of we don't count the seeds. And anyhow, just I think we can get at least 20 more seedling plants from this packet. Okay, so let's go to cut this and take this out. Okay, so I already cut this, so let's go to see how it look like. Okay guys, so this is the color of that. You can see that it's a pink color like. So anyway, I will take them out. Okay guys, there is no anything inside that, so I will keep this aside. So anyway guys, you can see this is this yellow chili seeds. So anyway, it's red color, not yellow. Okay guys, I'm just kidding. So next we need prepare the nursery bag. So let's go to prepare that. You can see the mixture in here. Okay guys, so most important thing is you can take the nursery bag. So like this, I made the name of that, so we can call this nursery seedling bag. Anyhow, this is a small grow bag guys. So in this grow bag is a little bit height, but you can find the half of like this one. It's enough for, because of we are going to seedling, not transplanting or not directly plant the, you already know the seed in there, so just as a seedling. Okay guys, so this is the mixture. Let's go to put the mixture in this nursery bag. Okay guys, I need my both hands to put the mixture in here, but guys, if you need to know about the mixture, I will put them in the description. Because of in here we have manure, also we had that compost, also the soil, the everything in the mixture you can check about in the description. Because of just I don't make explain about that, because of just I need simply this video. Okay guys, I need my both hands. So after I put the soil into my seedling nursery bag, you can see my tools. So anyway, see you soon. Okay guys, I'm done with this nursery bag. So I had put the soil mixture in here. So anyway, I already put the mixture. This is not only soil guys, I already remind that you can check about the mixture in my description. Okay guys, we have our seeds in here. So I will put my seeds into my seedling cup. Okay guys, I had put the seeds into my seedling cup. So right now we have put them in our nursery seedling bag. Okay guys, I am going to put my seed into my nursery bag. So there's no anything in here, so I will keep it in here. So next I will go to mix this with my mixture like this. Because of you already know our mixture is too much dried, so we need to pour the water next. Okay guys, I'm going to pour the water into this nursery bag. Okay guys, this is my my names like this. I mean I made those names because this is small bag, it's not a nursery bag. So anyway, seedling nursery bag. Okay guys, I will pour the water like this, and next we must protect this from snails. Okay, I know the water will go down because of you already saw that the soil is too much dry. So anyway, we need to protect this from insect like snail like, because of they too much flavored like those seedling plants to eat. So anyway guys, This is Mr. Crazy Farm Life. If you like to watch more like these crazy videos, you can subscribe Mr. Crazy Farm Life. Okay, I see you in next video. Also, we can transplant them this yellow color of chili after that will be grow. Okay, I see you in next video. Bye bye. This is Mr. Crazy Farm Life.